Students, topic of the video is multiple angle. In this video we discuss another sum. Prove that tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 cot 4 theta equals to cot theta. Here we proceed from the left hand side. Tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta, 4 cot 4 theta can be written as 4 by tan 4 theta. The formula of tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Here 4 theta. The 4 theta can be written as 2 into 2 theta. So tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta means tan 2 into 2 theta. So 2 tan 2 theta by 1 minus tan square 2 theta. Tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 2 4 cancel each other. 2 4 divided by 2 is 2. So in the numerator part it becomes 2 into 1 minus tan square 2 theta by tan 2 theta is equals to tan theta plus tan 2 theta into 2 tan 2 theta, 2 tan square 2 theta, 2 into 1 plus 2 minus 2 tan square 2 theta. They cancel each other. So it remains, it becomes tan theta plus 2 by tan 2 theta. So tan theta, again we use previous formula, tan 2 theta equals to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So 2 by 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. 2 cancel each other. So tan theta plus 1 minus tan square theta by tan theta. Tan theta is the LCM. So tan theta in tan theta, tan square theta plus 1 minus tan square theta, they cancel each other. So 1 by tan theta, 1 by tan theta equals to cot theta, which is RHS part. True. In the next video we discuss another this kind of sum.